What's going on, everyone? So let's take a look at Tesla today. So Tesla, along with a majority of the market, was down today, did close down 35 points, just about shy of 3.5% on the day. So what I have pulled up is a daily chart, the daily time frame. Let's kind of look into this from a technical analysis breakdown. Let's see where we can potentially make some money day trading or scalping this stock right now until we kind of see what the overall market wants to do. As far as, are we going to get a bit of a bounce? Is this going to be a short-term bottom, or are we going to continue to go into a bigger correction, is kind of the question that really looms ahead. So today, big key level on the NASDAQ 100 on the triple Qs that was lost. It was at 369.5 area. Any close under 368 really has measured potential down to that 200-day moving average right around that $365 area. So with that being said, it did bring a lot of tech stocks and a lot of growth stocks along with it today. So could we see a bounce tomorrow? Of course. Would it be anything more than a dead cat? Probably not, just due to the fact that we're below the 5, 10, 15, or the 5, 10, 50, the 20-day moving average. Tesla would really need to start getting back over this 1055, 1060 area before, I could see anything longer term to the upside. Meaning that as soon as we can get back over that 50-day moving average, 1054 area, potentially could take us back into that 1150 area. So with that being said, we could be coming down here into the bottom of this channel, which is the linear regression channel 50. And tomorrow we could get a bounce. So if we get any sort of gap down or an initial flush off the open and we do get a bounce, look for Tesla to kind of hold around this area here at about 988 in that area. Okay, where it really starts to get sticky is if Tesla starts to lose this channel here, and that channel is going to be 980. If Tesla starts to confirm the bottom of this range, $980, we are going to have room to slide down to the 100 moving average here, and that's going to be around 163, 160-ish area. So look for about 10 to 15, 20 points worth of room to the downside. If we get any sort of bounce tomorrow and then rejection and we fade through today's lows and lose this channel going back to the 10th of January, look for that 15, 20 point move to the downside, kind of firm up down here. You can see the last time we really tested this area, we came the 20th of December, and then quickly once we broke below it, we quickly reclaimed this, had this nice hammer candle, and we went on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, really 10-day run higher from a low price of 937 all the way up to that 1210 area. So this is going to be a key zone here that I'm going to be watching, that zone being between 950 and 960. If Tesla can get down there, might take a stab at potentially bouncing Tesla for a swing play long, but that's all dependent on how the overall markets do. So if the overall markets are continuing to flush, I'm not really going to get into a swing position long holding something when the market is continuing to correct. So we just have to play with the overall market here. If the market does want to get down to that 365 area, I could see Tesla coming down into 960, 950. And then if you want to try to take your stab at it, that's going to be your best risk to reward ratio down here, because any loss or any close under 952, you can just get out of that trade. We'll have continued selling pressure down to around 850. But for the shorter term bounce play here, what we would be looking at tomorrow is any kind of washout, perhaps a flat or red open. If we can open below 988, perhaps even touch this 962. And if we can come ramping back up through this 986, this reclaim of this channel would be a good spot to potentially bounce. And you have an initial price target of around $1,029, $1,030. Guys, I hope that helps. If you want more information, you guys want to get some more technical analysis on some different stocks, join my Discord. That link is down in the description box below. Also subscribe to my channel as I do release videos daily. Give me a thumbs up, comment, and I will see you guys all on the next one.